Grand Prix F1151. Today I like to show you how to change a flat car tire. First thing first, the car is parked in a safe location. Then the hazard light is switched on. Next, the wheel wedges are placed in front of tire. After that, the lug nuts are loosened.
I'm in Bottega Veneta, waffling a stitch on a sweater, parakeet green on the letters. I don't be rocking the butters.
The jacks are placed on the bottom of the car.
Rocking the butters if you see me booted, it's Mason Margiela. Double R Kim with umbrella, they tryna rain on my parade from the cellar. Only do beef from the farmer and Hyoko, dispatch it like gun of vendettas. I'm doing numbers like stars at the Mecca and Issei Miyake, I flood a Tribeca. Tryna save room for my dinner, but I'd have been touching more bread than a champion to check. Cause I crave all the pressure, they cave under pressure. The
And
difference is clear.
lift it.
Aim is a target in over a year. I bet you can tell by this Rick on his tactical gear. Yeah, I got remarkable range. Midas put fingers to fangs and also the mains. So only the molars remain. I pick up a couple of chains. I bust on the plane, examine the different terrains. They used to just be in my brain, my love for the game, but now I can feel it in veins. Yeah.
Then the flat tire is then removed. Next, the spare tire is then put on.
I'm in Bottega Veneta, waffling a stitch on a sweater, parakeet green on the letters.
Then the lug nuts are then tightened.
I don't be rocking the butters if you see me booted, it's Mason Margiela. Double R Kim with umbrella, they tryna rain on my parade from the cellar. Only do beef from the farmer and Hyoko, dispatch it like gun of vendettas. I'm doing numbers like stars at the Mecca and Issei Miyake, I flood a Tribeca. Tryna save room for my dinner, but I'd have been touching more bread than a champion to check. Cause I crave all the pressure, they cave under pressure, the difference is clear. Aim is a target in over a year. I bet you can tell by this Rick on his tactical gear. Yeah, I got remarkable range. Midas put fingers to fangs and also the mains. So only the molars remain. I pick up a couple of chains.
Then the jacks are lowered.
We got you. Yeah. Do it all day for the kiddies. Real life dreamers in the suburbs and the cities. Riding around town, windows up, steaming, beaming. Singing along to it in the cut, heavy streaming. Mama don't know what a little nigga feeling. Daddy been gone and my brother stay tripping. Bad little homie that's lonely. This is all for you, give a fuck about the pony. All in the plan. As you grow, make the moments last. Even though life is in the shit moves fast. Cold in the realest. Hands high, feel this. Spoken to the head, but remember shit's vicious. Never lose hope.
Then the wheel wedges are removed. The hazard light are switched off. That's all from me. Thank you.